Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to switch back to this personal account on Instagram, so let's start. We're here on Instagram and then let's go to our profile. When we're here on our profile, just wait a little bit until this is ready to load and then let's go to the three lines on the top right corner. Just click here. When we're here, just scroll down and let's go to professionals. Then let's go to creator tools and controls. Just click there. And here you will find many options, so just scroll down a little bit and let's go to switch account type. Just click there and you will find the option that says switch to business account and switch to personal account. So if you want to back to your personal account, just click here on switch to personal account and then just read the message. If you're agree, just click to switch to personal account. Let's wait a little bit until this is ready to use it. Okay, now it's done. As you can see now, our account, it's personal account, and that's it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.